You think you're alive, you've been alive your whole life, one continuous person from birth until right now. You're wrong, you have already died, not once, not 1,000 times, trillions of times, and it's happening right now as you watch this video. In the last second alone, 1 million parts of you stopped existing. By the time you finish this sentence, another million are gone. The you that started watching this video is not the you finishing it. You are not living a life, you are surviving your own death every single second. Inside your body right now, an entire civilization is being destroyed and rebuilt without you knowing. You are made of cells, roughly 37 trillion of them. Each cell is a living thing, it eats, it breathes, it does a job, and eventually it dies. And here's what nobody told you in school. Your body kills about 1 million of its own cells every single second. That's 80 to 100 billion cells dying every day. In a year, the total weight of cells that die inside you equals your entire body weight. You are wearing a graveyard, right now, as you breathe. But this isn't damage. This isn't disease, this is your body's normal operation. The killing is intentional, the system was designed this way, and if it ever stops, you don't live forever, you die almost immediately. Revelation 1 programmed suicide. The process is called apoptosis. It's a Greek word that means falling away, like leaves dropping from a tree. Every cell in your body has a self-destruct sequence built into its DNA. When a cell becomes damaged, infected, or simply too old, it receives a signal, and the cell follows the instructions to kill itself. It shrinks, its nucleus collapses, it breaks into small pieces, and then other cells arrive and consume the pieces. Within hours, there's no evidence the original cell ever existed. Your body is performing this execution about 80 billion times today. You are replaced. Your skin replaces itself every 2 to 3 weeks. The skin you had a month ago is gone, completely. Your stomach lining replaces itself every 3 to 5 days. Yes, days. The cells that handled your last meal are already dead. Your red blood cells live about 4 months. The blood pumping through you right now is not the blood you had at your last birthday. Your bones, the part of you that feels permanent, completely rebuild themselves every 7 to 10 years. The skeleton you had as a child no longer exists. It was demolished, atom by atom, cell by cell, and replaced while you weren't paying attention. There is an ancient philosophical puzzle called the Ship of Theseus. A wooden ship sails for years. Over time, every plank rots and gets replaced. Eventually, not a single original piece of wood remains. The question is it still the same ship? You are that ship. Every plank has been replaced. But here's the part that should haunt you. A few cells in your body do not replace themselves. Most of your brain neurons stay with you from before birth until death. The cells in the lenses of your eyes never replace themselves either. Some of your heart muscle cells are with you for life. These are the only physical parts of you that remember being a child. Everything else, your skin, your blood, your bones, your organs, is a new generation of cells that only knows you as you are right now. You are mostly new, with a few ancient witnesses inside you that watched the whole thing happen. So if trillions of cells have died inside you, and your body has been completely rebuilt multiple times over your life, then what part of you actually survived? Not your matter, that left, not your cells. They're already dead, not your atoms, they're just visiting. What survived is the pattern, the information, the arrangement. You are not a body, you are a recipe that your body keeps following, even as the ingredients keep getting replaced. The friend who knew you 10 years ago, and the you sitting here right now, are connected by something that isn't physical at all. You share no atoms, you share no cells. What you share is the same instructions for being you. 1 million pieces of you died while you watched this video. 1 million more will die before you go to sleep tonight. By this time next year, almost nothing inside your body will be the same matter that's reading this sentence right now. You have died trillions of times, and somehow, you're still here.